Hello， 大家好，我是 Mary。宫保鸡丁是川菜还是鲁菜，这都有争议。但是说它是最有代表性的中餐名菜，一定没有人反对吧？综合众多菜谱，我们今天的这个做法不一定是最正宗的，但是一定会给你带来味觉上新的享受。酥脆的花生搭配酸甜微辣的嫩滑鸡腿肉，下饭神器又来啦！简单易学，一起来看看吧。
Hello everyone, this is Mary's Kitchen. Nice to see you again. There is no doubt that Kung Pao chicken is one of the most iconic dishes in Chinese cuisine. Drawing from various recipes, our take on this dish might not be the most traditional, but I'm sure it will delight your taste buds. Debone the chicken thighs, cut the meat into cube sizes about 2 fingers wide. Traditional recipes often use the chicken breast, but it tends to be dry and less suitable to modern tastes. That's why I've chosen chicken thighs. They are more tender and juicy, with a good balance of fat and lean meat. Once cut, season the chicken with 3 grams of salt and 6 grams of sugar, mixing well. Next, add a tablespoon of cornstarch to the chicken. Followed by a drizzle of cooking oil to lock in the moisture. Let it marinate for 10 minutes. Mix up a bowl of Kung Pao sauce, 30 milliliters of vinegar, about 10 grams of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 2 grams of salt, and 2 grams of chicken powder. Stir well and set aside. Next, prepare the remaining ingredients. Cut dried chili peppers into segments. Slice the white parts of scallions into rings. Slice the garlic and mince the ginger. Add half of the prepared scallions, ginger, and garlic to the sauce bowl to infuse the flavors, making the dish even tastier when stir-fried later. Time to start with cooking. Begin by frying the peanuts. Put peanuts to a cold pan with cold oil and use the lowest heat to slowly stir fry. Using high heat will quickly burn them. While some modern versions of Kung Pao chicken include cucumber and carrot for color, these ingredients tend to release water, what can affect the signature smoky and spicy flavor of the dish. Crispy, aromatic peanuts remain the best pairing. As you cook, you will hear a cracking sound of the pan, and the peanut skins will split. This indicates even heating. Once the skins turn a deep red color, turn off the heat and continue stirring with the residue warmth for another 30 seconds before removing from the pan. Freshly fried peanuts may taste slightly soft, but they will become crispy as they cool. Add a pinch of salt, and you've got the perfect snack to go with drinks. Add oil to the pan, about twice the amount you used for regular stir frying. It over medium heat until the oil reaches around 50% of its maximum temperature. Add ground chili peppers and Sichuan red peppercorns, stirring until fragrant. Then, add the marinated chicken side pieces and turn up the heat. By now, the pan will be hot enough to heat the oil to prevent the chicken from sticking to the pan. Stir-fry the chicken until it's set and changes color, then reduce to medium heat. Drizzle a little cold oil along the edge of the pan and stir in chili powder. This prevents the chili from burning and turning bitter due to excessively high heat. Stir-fry until the oil turns a rich red color, giving the dish a vibrant appearance. Add the soaked ginger, garlic, and seasonings from the sauce bowl, and stir-fry until fragrant. Turn the heat back to high and pour the kung pao sauce into the pan along the edges. You are needed to smell the tangy sweetness of the sauce. Toss in the pillas and the remaining ginger and garlic. Stir-fry for a few seconds. Then pour in half a bowl of water mixed with cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Stir everything until evenly coated, then serve. Take a bite of the chicken, then you are instantly experiencing lychee-like sweet and tangy flavor that gradually transforms into a rich, umami savory taste. Finally, a wave of lovely spice and smoky aroma lingers, making it truly unforgettable. A classic dish you absolutely deserve to try. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you for all watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'd love to hear your valuable feedback in the comments section. See you in the next one.